So it's time for your trick. Spent fruit. Fruit that's gone bad. Rotten fruit. Turned fruit. Fruit that you wouldn't take a big bite out of, right? Well, this, my friends, is what the gold is. You know, that ugly, oh my gosh, it's got a brown spot on it, I'm not sure if I can eat it, is literally what you want to be using when you're making your cocktails. So I'm going to show you why, right? Now let's look at this. You're like, oh, I can't have that in my life. I can't use that. You can, because it's going to be the sweetest, juiciest version of what the fruit's going to be in general. And all you're going to have to do is, because it's so soft, is either use your fingertips or you just give it a little muddle and you get all of this wonderful, pulpy deliciousness with little effort. And I find that to be what's so wonderful about stone fruit and different fruit that you've kind of let, turn a bit, right? Do I think that you should eat it moldy? No. Have I eaten it moldy? Yes. Have I served it to you moldy? No. If you said it was okay, I might. It has a different flavor to it, but that's a whole different episode. Anyway, we're gonna take these beautiful pine berries and just, give it a little squeeze, right? And you're like, oh, what's that little love tap? Like, it's just beautiful. Look at this liquid. It's just like stunning and gorgeous. So what we're gonna do and what we learn on this tip is keep all that fruit, keep all that turned rotten fruit and use it in your drinks. See you next time.